نعمل ريفيجن سريع على what is the isosceles triangle. الisosceles triangle هو عبارة عن triangle has two equal sides. الثيرم بتاعتنا بتقول if two sides of a triangle are congruent then the angles opposite those sides are congruent. نعمل ريفيجن سريع على what is the isosceles triangle. الisosceles triangle هو عبارة عن triangle has two equal sides. الثيرم بتاعتنا بتقول if two sides of a triangle are congruent then the angles opposite those sides are congruent. لو عندنا isosceles triangle معنى كده ان two angles base are equal in measure. وعرفنا برضو ال n equilateral triangle عبارة عن triangle has three equal sides. وعرفنا برضو ان the measure of each angle equal 60 degree. يعني ال equilateral triangle has three equal sides and three equal measure angle. Converse of the isosceles triangle theorem. عكس الثيرم بتاعت ال isosceles triangle. If two angles of a triangle are congruent then the side opposite those angles are congruent. لو جاب لنا العكس، لو قال لي ان احنا عندنا triangle لقينا فيه ان ال two bases angle are equal in measure معنى كده ان ال opposite those angles are congruent، معنى كده ان ده isosceles triangle. Number 3 عرفنا قبل كده ان الميديان من lesson 1 هو عبارة عن line segment drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite base. In the isosceles triangle this median is called bisector. ليه bisector؟ لأنه bisect the vertex angle. the two angles بتوع ال vertex بيكونوا are equal and بيكون perpendicular on the base and bisect the base length. Axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry of the triangle is a line segment drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite base and perpendicular on it. يعني this median in the isosceles triangle بنسميه axis of symmetry لأنه بيكون bisect للvertex angle و bisect للبيز and perpendicular on the base. في الisosceles triangle دايما بيجيلنا سؤال في الcomplete how many symmetry axes of the isosceles triangle. The isosceles triangle has one axis symmetry. The equilateral triangle has three axes symmetry and the scalene triangle has no axis symmetry. Again الisosceles triangle بيكون has two equal sides. equilateral triangle has three equal sides. أما scalene triangle has three different sides. ونخلي بالنا في أسئلة الكومبليت الأكسس symmetry غير الميديان. في isosceles triangle has one axis symmetry but all the triangles all the types of the triangle has three medians.